In today's video, we'll be discussing hidden dangers of neglecting gutter cleaning and why it's crucial to prioritize this maintenance task. Gutters are not the most glamorous part of your home's exterior, but they play a vital role in safeguarding its structural integrity. So let's jump right in. So the danger number one is the foundation damage. Your gutters are designed to channel rainwater away from the home's foundation. However, when they become clogged with leaves, debris, or even bird nests, water accumulates and then overflows, often pulling around the foundation, and over time, this excess moisture can then seep into the foundation, leading to cracks and then compromise the stability of your home. The next other issue with not cleaning your gutter is roof damage. Clogged gutter can also contribute to roof damage in the sense that when the gutters are obstructed, water has nowhere to go but to overflow, backing up into the roof. This water then seeps through the shingles, causing them to lift, crack, and even rot. Additionally, that weight of the standing water in the gutter can strain the roof, potentially leading to structural damage and leaks. So this water infiltration can then damage insulation, ceiling, walls, and it just results in the costly repairs and the inconvenience, let's be honest. We've got the next thing is pest infestation. Yeah, dirty debris-filled gutters create an ideal breeding ground for pests. It leaves twigs, stagnant water, provides sort of an attractive habitat for mosquitoes, termites, rodents, all those nasty guests. So those pests can make their way into your home, causing further damage, posing even health risk to you and your family. The other thing it does is a landscape erosion. So gutters play a crucial role, like I said, in preventing soil erosion and protecting your landscaping. So when a clogged gutter overflows, water cascades into the side of your house, causing excessive moisture in the surrounding soil. And this can erode the soil as well, washing away plants, flower beds, and other landscape features. The lost vegetation not only affects the property's aesthetics, but also reduces natural barriers that help prevent water damage to your home. Basement flooding. Now, we don't really have low basements in the UK, but there are properties that have that. So if water cannot properly drain away from your house due to clogged gutters, it accumulates around the foundation, again, increasing the risk of basement flooding. Excess moisture once again slipping into the basement can damage wall, flooring, even furniture, personal belonging. Moreover, it creates again an ideal environment for mold, mildew growth, which again can cause respiratory problems and allergies. It's just not a healthy environment. In conclusion, neglecting that gutter cleaning, which is not the most attractive thing, can have far-reaching consequences for your home's structural integrity, your health, your wallet, the inconvenience of it all. Foundation damage, roof leaks, pest infestation, landscape erosion. The list goes on. From experience, it's essential to prioritize regular maintenance and cleaning of your gutters to prevent all these issues. So what step can you take to protect your home? First, schedule routine inspections, especially before and after rainy season, to ensure your gutters are clean and free from obstruction. And if needed, don't hesitate to consider professional gutter cleaning. By taking these preventive measures, you can protect your home, preserve its value, and maintain a safe, healthy living environment for you and your loved one. And again, the peace of mind, the lack of stress, that's it. That's today's video on the hidden dangers of neglecting cleaning your gutters. We do hope you found this information valuable and informative. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful, helpful content. As always, thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you at the next video. Take care.